Hey everyone, welcome to Dr. Maria's Physio Talk. Today I am going to tell you 4 reasons why we have vitamin D deficiency. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. That will help my channel to grow, and make sure press the bell icon for the latest video notification. Let's get started.
Disclaimer alert.
Vitamin D is very essential for muscles and joints. Normal range of vitamin D is 50 to 70 mg per ml. If you have morning stiffness, muscular pain, feeling of lethargy, then please do the vitamin D test as soon as possible and take your supplements as per doctor's prescription. In this video, I am going to tell you 4 reasons why we have deficiency in vitamin D. First reason is lack of exposure to sunlight. Sunlight is the best source of getting vitamin D. When our skin is exposed to sun, then through UV rays, it penetrates into the skin and there is a cholesterol layer, and which helps to the reaction and thus forming the vitamin D. The active form of vitamin D is cholecalciferol. So that is the first reason. So lack of exposure to sunlight results into vitamin D deficiency. Second reason is low cholesterol. As I say, cholesterol acts as a raw material for the production of vitamin D. Nowadays everyone is into diet and they are taking low cholesterol diet. So if our body is having less cholesterol, then there won't be any production of vitamin D. I am not telling you that how to have more cholesterol, but everything should be in a balanced form. So our body needs some amount of cholesterol for the production of vitamin D. Third reason is lack of bile. Bile, which is there in our liver, helps to break down the vitamin D. Thus, vitamin D absorption takes place. So, when you have proper diet of taking bile, then there will be absorption of vitamin D and we have sufficient vitamin D in our body. Fourth reason is stress. When you are into stress, then there is a hormone, cortisol, releasing in our body. Because of the presence of cortisol, more receptors are towards the cortisol hormone and there won't be any receptors for the vitamin D. Thus, there will be lack of vitamin D absorption. Thus results into vitamin D deficiency. So, don't stress more. That will affect your vitamin D absorption. Normal level of vitamin D is 50 to 70 mg per ml. Make sure you are getting sufficient sunlight. Have a proper diet of getting cholesterol and bile salts. Most important, don't stress out. Stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you.